Today I've got this Chubb. It's a 7-lever Mortice sash lock, sent to me by Peter Lewis, the Irish lock picker. That's the bitting on the key for it. I've not actually picked this one open yet. I've had it for a while and I've played about with it. I've not cracked it yet, so I thought I'd just stick the camera on and see if we can get it open. So I'm using a bent nail tension tool and just this little stubby homemade lollipop pick wire. I can say it now, lollipop pick wire. I couldn't say it the other day, I was stuttering to get my words out. So let's see if we can get this 7-lever lock open with it. I've had a practice with it, and up to now I've not got an open on it. One of those locks where you need quite a bit of concentration, so I will go quiet. You've got to be really delicate with these levers. Too heavy and you'll overlift them. I'd like to get this open on camera and send it back to my mate Peter. But up to now, it's been a tricky lock. Something just dropped back there. Have you heard that? A little click then. I probably lifted that back lever up too high now. You normally know when you've done that. You just feel underneath it. I know full well from the practice I've had that back lever will put you into a false gate if you lift it up too high. It's really a case of just touching the lever so slightly. You touch them too heavily, they're going to go past the gate you want. And we got into a false gate then. I thought we'd got it, to be honest. I thought I'd finally got it on camera. So I'm going to try to just continue and just try to lift myself out of that false gate. Just by taking the tension off a little bit, pushing that lever up. And whether that's going to help me to get the open, I don't know, but rather than start from scratch, I thought I'd give it a go. Normally you can't jump out of false gates, but I did try that earlier when I was practicing and I didn't get the open, but I managed to jump out of that false gate and continue picking. But then I dropped into another false gate. We might have to restart again in a minute on this one. We'll give it another couple of minutes. This video is not going to be a quick 5-minute video. I could be on this lock for 30 minutes, so you might want to just skip to the end to see if it's an open or a fail. I do know that that fifth lever needs to go up quite high. Probably would have been better off just resetting, to be honest. I think I'm too high on the back lever again. Yeah, you can see how much movement I've got there. Sometimes they drop back down naturally, so I'm not going to just throw the towel in yet. You can overlift the lever and it'll just automatically drop back into place. It's luck more than judgment half the time. It is for me anyway. Half the locks are open, I think I'll fluke it. But there's no fluke in this one. No. I think I'll reset. Wait a minute, hang on. Don't be too hasty. Yeah, I'll reset. So we'll start again. Like I say, it's not going to be a quick 5-minute video, this one. It's only going to take a little bit of concentration. Really, I should just shut my mouth up and get on with it, shouldn't I? And we got it at last. Now that's been one hell of a challenge, but we finally got it. So what I'm going to do now is open it up and show you all 7 levers. That's certainly been a bit of a challenge, that one. But we've done it, and I can send it back to my mate Peter now. So, here we are. Now, let me just twist this round and we'll have a look at the levers. So, lever 1, as you can see, anti-pick notch in the bottom. Lever 2, anti-pick notch in the bottom. Let me just stick them. Can I put them in view? I'm trying to put them in view and I'm looking at the camera at the same time. There we go. That's better. Right, number 3. Again, anti-pick in the bottom. Number 4, anti-pick in the bottom. We're all in the bottom at the moment. We're still a tricky lot to pick though. Number 5, no anti-pick whatsoever in number 5. Number 6, one in the top and number 6. There's always one in the top somewhere. And then number 7, one in the bottom again. So that is a Chubb 7-lever sash lock picked. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. Try it a bit.